This bold group brokered by eXp Realty, LLC property video is presented by Ashley Carpenter. This home is a showstopper. This 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home is perfectly situated on 1.99 acres of land. 2 large workshops west/electricity and roll-up garage doors, one 2,100 square feet and one plus 900 square feet, plenty of room for all of the toys. Kitchen boasts granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and huge island. Gorgeous outdoor oasis complete with flagstone patio, in-ground pool west/incredible cascading waterfall, and full outdoor kitchen. Only minutes to I-20, I-220, Barksdale AFB, restaurants, shopping, entertainment, and more. For more information, review the details.